In this video, we'll be going over the laser pointer functionality in myCNC and the macro that controls the switch from your plasma cutting torch to your laser pointer. And to switch from one to the other, you can press this button right here on your main screen. When you press it once, the tool switches to a laser pointer and the LED turns red. And when you switch back to your plasma cutting torch, the LED turns gray, indicating that the laser pointer is off. And what happens when we press this button is we run this macro M601, which can be found in the macro list. And what the macro does is it, first of all, takes your work coordinate for your x-axis and your y-axis, and it stores them in your local variables 500 and 501. Then it checks if the tool you've currently switched to is a laser pointer or your plasma, and it applies the correct respective offsets. So for example, if you're switching to a laser pointer, then you are switching to tool number 9, and if you're switching to your plasma cutting, you're switching to your tool number 1. And the tool offsets can be found right here in the tools menu. So tool 1 again is the plasma cutting torch, and we have tool offset Y here at 0, and tool number 9 is our laser pointer with tool offset Y at 15. After that, it moves to your previously saved work coordinates for X and Y to make sure that your laser pointer and your torch are actually in the same spot on your workbench. And then it runs the M602 hardware PLC. So this M602 checks whether your tool is currently at tool number 9 or not. If it is, which means it is selected to be the laser pointer, it sets your output laser pointer, and if not, it clears that output. And this output can be found in your pins H file right here. So for me, I have this output laser pointer defined as output number 15. So what I expect to happen, let me just save this. What I expect to happen when I press that button is the output 15 will turn on and off. So right now, if we check the diagnostics, output 15 is off. Notice how we have our offset applied, and then we move back to our work coordinates. Right here. And if we go back to our diagnostics, we can see that output 15 is now on. So these are the basics for your laser pointer in your plasma cutting profile. Thank you for watching. Please visit our documentation at docs.pvautomation.com for more information.